Hey, my name is Imran and I'm a senior data scientist at Consolio. Today we are going to start Python language. Python language is very important to do the machine learning and deep learning modeling. So that is why first we will start with the Python. We will do all the basics of the Python and then we will move to the machine learning. So let's get started with the basics of the Python. To use the Python, first we need to install. So we can go over there on the official website of Python, and in the downloads you can download the Python. So I'm using Windows, I can click on it. I'm using 64-bit, so I will install this one, but if you're using 32-bit you can install this one. I'm going to just download it. So now it's started downloading. To install this, I will click on it and it will ask me to install, and then it is asking me to add the path. So it's good to add the path of Python so that when you will be using any IDE there will be no issues while getting the Python installed. And then you can click on install now. It will start installing. Alright, so it's installed successfully. If you wanted to verify that if the Python is installed or not, you can just write cmd and you can write here Python version. So you can see that we have Python 3.11, which is the latest one by now. Okay, so now you can use Python language on your system. To use the Python directly on the command prompt, you can write the codes here. You can write the code in any notepad file and you can run here. But if you wanted to do proper coding, so you need to install any IDE like PyCharm, Spider or Jupyter Notebook. I always use Jupyter Notebook because that is very easy to code, and also you can see the results of each line of code at the same time. So if you wanted to use PyCharm, you can also download PyCharm from there. You can install PyCharm by downloading from here, and also if you wanted to install Anaconda, so you can get the Anaconda from here, and then after installing the Anaconda you can automatically use the Jupyter Notebook, which is very easy to code. If you wanted to use Jupyter Notebook, I'm going to give the link below. See you in the next video.